Morning, student. Let's go for the next problem. I'll read it the question. The following data have been extracted from the books of Dunlop Limited for the year 2017. See, the information is given. Opening stock of raw material. We'll take it to prime cost. Purchase. It should be added with the opening. Closing stock should be deducted with the material. Carriage inward should be add with the material. Okay. So opening stock, add purchases, add carriage inward minus closing stock of raw material, you will get the material consumed. Wages, direct wages, we'll take it to prime cost. Indirect wages, we have to take it to factory overheads. Other direct charges, it is nothing but direct expenses, take it to prime cost. Rent and rates, factory will be taken to factory, office will be taken to administration. Indirect consumption of material, all indirect expenses should be taken to factory overheads. Depreciation on plant, factory. Office furniture, administration. Salary of office should be taken to administration. Sales should be taken to selling and distribution. Again, other factory expenses taken to factory. Other office expenses taken to administration. MD's remuneration. MD's remuneration, there is an adjustment. Later we'll discuss. Other selling expenses, selling and distribution. Carriage and freight outward. Outward is taken to selling and distribution. Sales will take it directly. Then advance income tax paid. So any tax paid financial expenses will not consider in this cost sheet. So we have to ignore. Advertisement expenses, selling and distribution. See the adjustment. MD's remuneration to be allocated 4,000 to factory, rupees 2,000 to office, and 6,000 to selling department. So 4,000 to factory, 2,000 to administration, 6,000 to selling and distribution. So remuneration should be allocated as per the adjustment. If the adjustment is not given, remuneration will be allocated to the administration. Okay. So according to the adjustment, we have to go for allocating the MD remuneration. So no information is given, we can take it directly to the administration. I will prepare the cost sheet. So cost sheet particulars with two amount column. First we'll take opening stock of raw material. Opening stock is given 25,000. Add purchases. Add purchases 85,000. Add carriage inward. Carriage inward is given 5,000. From this total less closing stock of raw material. Closing stock of raw material, I'll put thin bracket minus value. So 25,000 plus 85,000 plus 5,000 minus 40,000. You will get 75,000 as material consumed. Material consumed. Direct wages. Direct wages 75,000. Other direct expenses 15,000. We take the total of 75 plus 15, we will get 1,65,000 as prime cost. Okay. So opening raw material, add purchases, add carriage inwards, direct expenses minus closing stock of raw material, you will get material consumed, plus direct wages plus other expenses, you will get prime cost. Add factory overheads, add factory overheads. So indirect wages, indirect wages 10,000, indirect wages 10,000, factory rent, rent of factory 5,000, rent of factory 5,000, indirect material, material, indirect material 500, indirect material 100, depreciation of plant, depreciation of plant 1,500, other factory expenses, other factory expenses, other factory expenses 5,700, MD's remuneration, it is adjustment given related to MD's remuneration, that is 4,000 should be allocated to factory. Take this total. If you had, you will get 26,700. If you had with 1,65,000 prime cost, you will get 1,91,700. That will be work cost or factory cost. With this, add administrative expenses, administrative expenses. Again, we'll come from the beginning. Rent of office, rent of office, rent of office. The amount is 5,000. Sorry, 500. Next, we'll take office furniture. Office furniture 100. Office salary, office salary 2,500. Other office expenses, other office expenses 900. MD's remuneration, MD's remuneration as per allocation 2,000. Okay. Take this total to the outer column, you get 6,000. Add this to the work cost, you will get 1,97,700. For this, we have to write it as cost of production, cost of production. With this, add selling and distribution, selling and distribution, add selling and distribution Again from the beginning we have to see that any item code. Salesman salary, 2000. MD's remuneration, 6000. Selling expenses, other selling expenses, 1000. Carriage and freight, 1000. Advertisement is given in the adjustment. Advertisement 2000. Take this total to the outer column. This total 12,000. If I add with the cost of production, you will get 2,09,700. It is the total cost or cost of sales. Profit should be added. No profit information is given, but sales is given. Sales is 2,50,000. Sales is 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 minus 2,09,700 will get 40,300. That is the profit. 40,300 is the profit. Thank you.